I'm going to teach you how to make this really good tea for your cold and coughs and your runny noses. And my little sister and me always drink this because it helps us for our cold and coughs and runny noses. So let's begin. So do you see all these ingredients right here? These are all kitchen antibiotic ingredients. And I'll tell you what these ingredients are. So this is ground turmeric powder, and this is ajoen seeds. This is basil leaves, and this is cinnamon you see right here. And this is table salt. So for all of your ingredients, you'll need like a little bit of each ingredient. And I have some boiled water here. And I'm gonna add the ingredients in here. And if you don't have any of these ingredients, you could of course buy them at the superstore. So I'm gonna pour these ingredients. So there, as you see, the ingredients are in the bowl. They're gonna turn into the tea, and I'm gonna start mixing it so it could become better. So when the tea is boiled, you could put it in your cup and start drinking it, but don't forget to blow it. It's probably hot. And that's it. It's a really easy, simple thing for you to make when your little kids or you are sick. So bye, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share all this video, and I hope this helps you a lot. So bye!